Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to animate the wiggle expression with keyframes in After Effects. Let's jump onto the screen.
As you can see, I've already applied the regular wiggle expression to the position parameter of this layer. The current settings don't really matter because we are going to replace them with something more flexible. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Slider Control. Apply it to the layer. Then go to the Effect Controls panel and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D. I'll right click on the first slider and rename it to frequency and the second one to amount just to keep everything organized and avoid mixing them up later. Now go back to your position expression and delete the existing numbers inside the wiggle parentheses. Make sure your cursor is between the brackets. Now drag the pick whip from the position expression to the frequency slider. Then add a comma after that reference, grab the pick whip again and drag it to the amount slider. Now your wiggle expression is fully controlled by those two sliders, which means you can animate the wiggle properties directly from the effect controls panel. For this example, I'll set the frequency to 1 and the amount to 100. If I play the video now, you can see that the wiggle expression is showing. Add keyframes for both the frequency and the amount sliders at the beginning. Now you can move forward and change the values of the sliders. I'll change the frequency to 3 and the amount to 120. As you play it back, you'll see a smooth transition from minimal movement to full random motion. By following these steps, you can animate your subject however you like.